Hey everybody, my name is Holly Rust and this is my website. For my website, I did an online portfolio, as you can see here. Welcome to my online portfolio. So I'll just show you around my site really quick. Here's my home page where you can get to know me, and we'll click that link a little bit later. It has links to the things in my portfolio, my blog articles, PR campaigns, and graphic designs, and then just a little blurb about me so that people know who I am when they're on my homepage, along with a little send me a message so that people can get in contact with me. So we'll go to the next page, which is to get to know me. And I haven't completely finished formatting this page yet, but here I just decided to add a few pictures of me to kind of give future employers a look into who I am, and then along with some written up paragraphs about me. And then we go to my contact page, which is similar to the send me a message, where I just thank them for checking out my site and they can send me a message. And then onto the portfolio part of my website, I just plugged in some campaigns that I did here. Decided to go with a slider for the top half so they could just kind of slide through the booklets that I've created, along with some extra materials down here that I created for the different campaigns. And that's taking a little long to load. And then the same thing, I just added another campaign that I did. This time it was with the Berg. Some of you might remember the Berg, along with the extra documents that I created that can be clicked on and expanded and read. And then the last part of my website would be my shop, where I'm doing another project for a class where I'm making stickers that are about the Beatles. And so I just thought that I would sell my stickers, and so here we have an example of one of my stickers in my shop. So the reason I made this website is because I need a portfolio to showcase everything that I've done in my years at school, and online portfolios are really good for that. In terms of what was hardest for me, I'd say that basically everything about WordPress was kind of hard for me in terms of the layouts and kind of the learning curve when it comes to the Divi builder. But what I really liked is that once you understood the bones of it, it's really easy to go in and flesh everything out, which is my goal for the remainder of this website. I know the class is ending, but I do plan on going in and fleshing it out more so that it becomes more of a professional online portfolio. And that's my website. Thanks for checking it out.